All right.
Yeah, so this was all iced up. There's a big ball of icing right there.
Okay.
And then everything inside of there, like the metal pipes are all iced over.
You have, how long has it been since you turned it on?
Let's see, I shut off.
Said it was icing up. Bad cap ain't gonna cause that thing to ice up. Could be a blower motor. We'll see what the pressures are after we fire it up. I need a 70/5. I got one right here. Okay, let's go check this out. Five there. 68.6, that's good. 22, no good. All right. What's this here? Booby trap?
Now, he locked himself in his room one time. We didn't have a key, so I had to obviously get a hold of the door to get in. And this is just keeping it shut while he knows. Until we get a new door.
Whatever it takes, right? I'll be back.
Yeah, so I spoke to the gentleman after showing all the pictures and stuff up here, and he was pretty adamant about replacing this system. And I should have shown you guys the pressures on this thing when I fired it up. The compressor was just leaking back. The discharge pressure was low. The suction pressure was high, indicating it was leaking back. The compressor was just all wonky, acting up. So he just chose to go ahead and replace this, and he did agree to move it back to the original location because we just don't know what's underneath the ground with what they did. If they installed this like this, there's no telling what's underneath the ground and chasing leaks and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty much a done deal here with this system. Gonna keep the furnace. Furnace is still good shape, and it's not an ultra low NOx, so that's good too. So that's definitely a good thing, keeping that and not having ultra low NOx in there.
There's the old coil left up here. I don't know what this is all about. Pretty bad, man. That's dangerous. Alright, let's see where this leak is at.
By the time it would take to correct all this stuff, find the leak, repair it if possible, correct all these other things that are wrong with this,
So it looks like there was a
it probably cost him about half the amount of a new system. So that's the route he chose, and that's what we're going to do. Like I said, I gave him options just to charge it up and go, but when I tried to do that, the compressor was not having it. The capacitor was bad. It was low, about 4 pounds on refrigerant. I just stopped right there and spoke with him, and he decided that it would be a smart thing to replace it because he just bought this house a year ago and plans on staying here a while. So that's going to be the option he chose, and we're going to get out there this week and get this thing changed out.
Let's see what we got going on here. Fire this thing up. Got a heat wave coming, so I'm just going to put some UV dye in this thing and charge it up. Go from there. Get the little kids in the house, so get them going. They put this line set under the ground. Why not? Just, I don't know. Okay. They must have moved this from somewhere else.
Now, I know everybody's going to say, oh, you could have fixed that, this, and that. Sometimes, yes, you can fix just about anything.
Yeah, right here.
But in some cases, it's better not to throw money into the trash can and just, upgrade the system if it's feasible and affordable. I actually told him I'd waive the service call and he could call someone else out to make the repairs because that stuff was just terrible up there. And there's no way you could really get that right without ripping it out and redoing it.
New tight end for the Chargers, ready? New tight end for the Chargers. The new Rams tight end.
Huh?
I said the new Rams tight end. You guys working out?
Yeah. We're doing for soccer.
Oh, for soccer?
Yeah.
That's awesome. See you later.